Hi, welcome back to my channel. So for this look, we're going to do Minnie Mouse. And so all you need is a mask like this, and then that's it. That's the look. Bye, guys. Just kidding. We're not using this ugly mask. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Trish. We're going to be doing a Minnie Mouse look. I'm calling her Meanie Mouse because she just looks mean and evil and bad. She's not your classic, nice, sweet Minnie Mouse that you see in everything Disney related, you know. So this look is pretty much a recreation of Voodoo Barbie doll's look that she did last year for, I think she did it for her 31 days of Halloween. I think. I'm pretty sure. But I saw it and I was like, ooh, I want to do it. But I already had a long list of things that I was doing myself last year, so I saved it for this year. So I already did my eyebrows off camera just to save some time. Right now I'm putting in that primer. Then, obviously, we're going to move into foundation. And just so you know, I'm not doing this in complete silence. If you see my eyes, like, drift off to the left, it's because I'm watching a Halloween movie on my tablet. I can't just sit here in total silence and do my makeup. That's boring. It's not going to happen ever in my life. And today, we are using the Makeup Forever Flash palette. Here we go. So right now, what I'm doing is sketching out where my mouth is going to be before I put on my foundation and all that jazz. So now I'm sketching out my teeth. So obviously there's going to be a top and a bottom row. So now you're going to go back into that flash palette and bring out the black shade and just fill in all that empty space in between all your teeth. So I'm actually setting the top half of my face because I forgot to do that before I started drawing on my mouth, and we're going to be using the electric palette again to do our eyeshadow. So I'm using that light purple shade called Jilted, and then on the outer corners I'm using that darker purple called Urban, and then I'm just going over the lighter purple a little bit with the pink shade in the palette, which is called Savage. I'm not even 100% sure if her eyes are supposed to be purple, but I remember them being purple, and they're even purple on that ugly mask that I had earlier. By the way, speaking of that mask, it's from my mom. She gave it to me a long time ago when I was a kid. It's from like when my parents went to Disney World, like long before I was born or even thought of. So that's why I have that mask, and I just thought that maybe I could be funny. Maybe it's not funny. I'm not funny, but I'm really funny. Ignore me. So now you're gonna go and outline the entire mouth. So now you're gonna pick up that red shade from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and you're gonna draw on her lips, and you're gonna start thick in the middle and then draw it out thin, because when you smile, your lips get thinner. So right here, I'm just drawing on the smile lines and the stretch marks that would come with such a wide and big smile. Draw them on however you like. It's kind of self-explanatory, and have fun with it. And after you make your final touches, you're all done with this look. we're back. I forgot her nose. Alright, so after you draw on her nose, finally, now you are done with this look. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. Bye!